Condensed milk made in the original factory style is just like the imported kind. Notice the texture, shape, and color. Use 1 liter of full fat milk. Then add 70 grams of butter or 120 grams of fresh cream. You can choose either butter or fresh cream or neither. Once it boils, add the butter and 220 grams of sugar. So it's 1 liter of milk and 220 grams of sugar. That's the base. You can add butter or fresh cream. The method for making fresh cream is on the channel. It takes exactly 1 hour. The key is to use a stainless steel pot or it will burn. Use a stainless steel pot with a thick base and keep stirring. Stir continuously for 40 minutes until it reaches this consistency. Put it in a bowl, and if it forms a thread that doesn't return, you know it's done. Store it in a jar and keep it in the fridge for 6 months. Don't work harder, just work smarter, and check out the method for making brigadeiro.